Word allows you to use its searching capabilities to easily find multiple items in a document. What if you want to copy all those found items to a different document? Well, here are some techniques that you can use. You may need to copy many instances of a word from one document to another. This is pretty easy to do, provided you have the source and target documents open at the same time. You see that I have two documents open on the screen here. The left one is the source document, and the right document is a blank one where I want to copy what I find. I'm going to go ahead and, with the left document, the source document active, I'm going to display the Find tab of the Find and Replace dialog box. I find it easy to do that by just pressing Control-H, and that pulls up the dialog box. And now I want to click over on the Find tab because that's where I want to do my work. Let's say that I want to find, all instances of the word Alice. I'm going to type in Alice. And then I'm going to specify that I want to find whole words only. Now I'm going to use the Find In drop-down box right here to choose Main Document. Word then selects within the main document all the matches that it found. You can see that in the background here because Alice is selected in the title and it's selected in the first paragraph down here. I can then click the title bar of this source document so I can switch back over to it. Now my focus is away from the Find and Replace dialog box. You can tell that because it's sort of grayed out in the title of the Find and Replace dialog box, and I'm back in the main document. All I have to do at this point is press Control-C, and I've copied everything that's selected into the clipboard. Now I can go over to the other document. You can see that I've made the other document active here. And all I have to do is press Control-V, and all of those instances, we'll close this so you can see, but all of those instances of Alice have now been copied over into this document. It's 17 pages long, so there's quite a few instances of Alice, as you might expect, but I've now copied them very easily over to the other document. You can apply this same technique to searching and finding just about anything and copying it over into a new document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.